Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm here with my brother-in-law. We're gonna do something good. Do you have anything to say to your friend out there?
មកមើលជនភៀសសឹកនៅវត្តប្រដាក់ដើម្បីជួយចែកលុយឲ្យតិចតួច
Yeah. So he have some money donate directly to the people who escaped from the war zone, and they're gonna wait until the green light so they can go back home and continue to do daily activity or daily work so they can, raise their family back home. They take shelter here in Wat Pradat. There's a lot of kids here moving from the war zone, and they supposed to be in school. The war's gonna disturb their peace. Hey, no need mong man ban lan nói gì mà lan hôn lan ấy.
Ấp tiếng thì phụ.
Chẳng à, ấp tiếng.
Chà. Về class tới cô về prep class tới cô về lưng y ấp tiếng.
Chẳng à.
Chà. Về class tới cô miên làm hộp ấy nè sọc nè phun con miên mà hộp miên ấy dơm ao dân chà. Tình tu với dân tân hộp. Ui đã san.
Đã san, sao nó nè.
Ui đã san phi sắc san.
Và
mưa là siêu bùa hay dân tè dân mình.
Năng à.
Chào sọc chào tè hết.
Yeah.
Đi con khang cái đã làm ca khang và ca khang ấy nè.
Oh, khang okay. All right, guys. So now I'm entering the temple, or you call pagoda. You see right now is people displaced from their village, kids displaced from their school. When they out here, they can't produce anything. So that's what war causing people's life. That's why I was so poor when I was young, because the war is disrupting my life, and I don't want that anymore. And look at this. Okay, snack. Hey, ngày nay ban trên tàu quanh tàu. Okay. 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 Cô cha nhầm xong đa thọt tí xin á. Food không mà ngay cái vô màu mà anh đó.
Rồi ngày ná hot miên thì bên đấy dân miên miền rồng sập bột gọt.
Oh, good, yeah.
Nhưng miên khang.
Oh, ba.
Cả nam màu tới chạy chún.
Ba.
Bực phong nghịch phong.
Ba.
Mà miên nhiệt xây màu ri nhưng tục một đốc.
Ba.
Nhưng vô trong khang phong.
Ba.
Chạy thì cao vớt.
Ba.
Bây là miên chạy đấy miên nè mà đó hot miên ấy hộp.
Ba.
Dương bác ở cất sông màu chả thì cá thể tung mà dương chuột chả thì cá phải trình khang spiên ở gọt ở đó bắt thìคือทีนี้คือการใจในทีนี้คือสุขภาพโดยสายยังฝึกบันสมเธอเอาเกิดใจแต่ตามบันแต่ตามจำนวนเนี่ยแต่บันมาดองปีดองเนี่ยแต่ออดคือออดเมียนนี่คืออะไรเมียนจับปีมาดองđó buônดองหายถึงก็แต่ยังก็ทับราปราเหยียบเป็นtrong nàyคือออดเมียนเต็มเมียนนาถางออดไอ้สอดไอ้โฮเวอดเมียนนี่ให้วัดว่ายังนี่คือเมียนจงเฟือเมียนไอ้สายยังนาในทามันอาจตุวันยุยังเธอหกเลี้ยบchạy chui bộก็ได้ออดยังจุนก็จะโรกันอะไรจงเฟือที่เมียนจงเฟือสาย
บ่าออกกุญจรานโอนแต่บ้านช่วยดอกจีจุนยังแต่เพียงครูนมาในประดาสันนี่บ่าออกกุญจรานเป็นเต้นเอานะบ่าออกกุญจร Okay, so as you can see, they have food and water. Hello, on. Hello, on. So they do have food and water. I believe some medical care. Hello. There's a lot of young kids here. They are supposed to be in school, but because of war, and that's why they are here wasting their time. According to official, they tell me they do have running water, have food for them, also kids. I believe they do give out some books, pencil. So in the meantime, they can read or they can play. It's like him. He cleaning the garbage here. That's very productive. Hello. Yeah, very nice. Đo mong bài. Ok, chơi bà chơi xa. Anh chơi mau về khang na đấy. Long Veng bà bán ngày ấy.
Mau bán ngày đây ra tìm buồn.
Chẳng á, tìm buồn nức tía hết.
Nức ra luôn là khơi chúng ta
sa thúc đâm bay sừng cream chop lươn tao ăn ban tập tía mình.
Cho coi tía nó nè.
Bà cháu khan thua bà cháu sky cháu sài cháu cô của bay đào sầu sừng cream đi thua ơi. Từ chia dương rất là hết là hai đo năm pi pon mà pay pram hay đâu miền nẹt lốp luôn tiệt dạ rồi ngắm khơi ba năng bàn thà ra ngày hello chị điệp xua ban anh nhám bài cha ok hay này miền cái slam sloy có cái đầm rồi ok bà nè ngài ok miền tực miền bài ở Côn Trăn bàn xôm sân nam tí cho và lệ bài nâu sọc na đã Long Veng nha. Bà nhìn flop tao năng đẹp à. Anh Long. Hello. Hay xả bài hay nấu nhắm bài hay nấu. Chẳng à. Hay admin cô dân miền ấy kia thế à. Màu chẳng màu xa kia. Ok. Hay đòn trang tấu. Hello. You got toys. Bà điên chua mục. Hay chẳng mau tam kê đi. Mau chỉ mùi nẹt đại miền cầu dồn á. Xong kê màu. Nơi chật cái này á. Nước tê đấy. Trong tàu quên nha nè. Ở lâu đây nào nè. Đây là chọ chăm sừng ngầm. Cà phê nó ở đây. Cặp chia. Ok. Mơ tè mơ ấy. Hello. Hello. Mơ trở về. You have any donation for these ladies or four ladies? Yeah. So quát miền thạ với ca tịch tuổi lý chia cầm lăng chết bọc quát đấy nè bà nẹt mơn tấu cần so he do this of his own pocket. Yeah. Nó mùi tiệt à. Ôi ban đàn tịch tuổi lý. Yeah. Ok chẳng ở cô này là sân khâm tha sân cream năng về chọc tàu ăn bàn tập tiệc mình á. Ok. Bà năng ngày. Alright guys, so a little chit chat with the people who displaced from their village, and they are not happy. They don't like war because they separate from their family. There's so many other temples around the city, and they all filled up with Chunpiklun. So today I'm just covering this temple only. Bạn đi nhắm bài. Hay miền Tực miền ai pra group kran á. Group kran okay chẳng All right. Despite the war, the spirit of Cambodians very strong. You know how they can still give you a smile, guys. That's why I'm so amazed. The Cambodian resilient. Actually, the temple is It's a good place for refugee because it have a lot of shade, you know, cool them down. And just to give you a quick look inside what's in here. So this is what's inside. They have rice. Oh, hello, Shiripsu. Rất bye. Và hay mà ban ngày ai?
Mà ban man vô bịch thế này buôn vô thôi.
Buôn pram vô á. Nấc tiệt hả?
Nấc trong tàu bình.
Trong tàu bình. Ngày nào ban cái tàu bình đâu?
Ấp đăng phò. Vợ côn cái nấu thưa tiền cái tha mẹ ba trên tàu trong.
Dạ. Okay. Wow. Côn thưa thì hiền mà đai rốt mà đòn này. Nè. Okay. Nàng ai thапសង្ឃឹមថាបានទៅផ្ទះវិញលឿន If you see this video, I'm here. My foot's on the ground. Video the real life people escape from the war and from one family to another, all the same story. They want to go back home. They want to raise the chicken, their cow, their dogs, whatever they do at home. They can be more productive than just stay here. So please stop the war and let people go home. They are over here living under tent, under the trees. Everything is not like home, okay? You know what its home is. You guys out there finish your work, where you go? You're gonna go back home, meet your family, eat a good dinner, have watching TV, go to sleep, good night sleep, and look at them. And they eat on the concrete, they sleep on the concrete. That's what the word is, unhumane. And if you think about it, nobody have to go through this again and again. We have peace more than 40 years, and now look what happened. For the last 2 months we running away from, I don't know, I should say the stupid war. Hopefully they go back home soon. You have anything to say?
All right, so hopefully you got some insight. This is the real account. So most of the interview that we conduct, they've been here the last 5 days. But other people might be longer, like the first wave. So the second wave is just 1 week.
I see. All right, thank you, Vanara. He is witness the real situation here in Predat Temple. He see it himself. You know, Siem Reap is a very safe place. All right, so that's it for this video. I'll see you at the next one. Bye bye. Have a good day.